Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
You scared me.
Did you say something?
No. Alexa.
Alexa,
Alexa, एक चुटकुला सुनाओ.
क्रिकेटर काम पे क्यों नहीं आया? क्योंकि वो स्ट्राइक पे था।
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Meghna.
And I'm Ninath. Hope you guys are safe and doing well.
So guys, you must have guessed by now this video is all about the fun things which you can try with Alexa.
Yes.
Right Alexa?
Yes, absolutely.
So most of you guys know Alexa, correct?
Yes.
But do you know the fact that she was launched way back 8 years ago in 2013?
Really?
Yeah. But in India, she came in October 2017, which is around 4 years back.
Oh come on, I'm not that old.
So guys, Amazon Alexa is capable of doing a lot more things like reading out some news, playing some awesome music, giving a weather forecast or a horoscope, traffic information, anything which you want to know. It's all in there, right? So it also gives the feature of home automation. Alexa is able to connect to all smart devices at your home and set up a new home automation for you. So on your one click or one voice signal, Amazon is able to do anything which you want to do at your home.
That's very cool, yeah?
Yes, it's a digital world out there and you must experience it to the fullest.
So let's get ready for the fun that we tried with Alexa.
That's interesting. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's watch a comedy picture today. What's say?
Comedy? Nah, let's go for something horror.
There's no horror movie on the screen.
There is. I'll show you. But are you ready for it?
Let's watch comedy, man. It's a long time.
Let's do one thing. We'll flip a coin. Heads, it's comedy. Tails, it's horror.
Okay.
Alexa, flip a coin.
Flipping. It's tails.
Yes. Horror it is.
Okay.
Don't get scared.
Who's speaking?
2 hours later.
Ninad, let's play some game. Like
Yes.
a childhood game or something.
Yes,
It's
yes,
very
sure.
boring nowadays.
I have one game in mind. Alexa, let's play Chidiya Ud.
Welcome to this awesome game that we call Chidiya Ud. If it can fly, then say fly. Otherwise say pass. Sparrow Ud.
Fly.
Parrot Ud.
Ud.
Camel Ud.
Pass.
Old.
I don't
Camel.
think a camel can even fly. Next.
Alexa,
Al-
Alexa, let's stop this game. We'll play a new game.
इंतजार रहेगा आपका इस चिड़िया उड़ के मजेदार खेल में।
A few moments later.
Let's play a new game.
Which skill do you want to enable?
Some trivia games will play.
I found a few matches for that. Did you mean Trivia Hero?
That's right. Yes.
Here's the skill Trivia Hero by Voice Arcade, India. Voice Arcade. Welcome to Trivia Hero, the game that lets you test your wits against the clock. How many people want to play?
2.
Nice, 2 it is. You'll get 60 seconds each to answer as many tricky trivia questions as possible. Player 1, I hope you're ready, because your time starts Now, Minnie is the companion of which mouse?
Mickey.
What is the name of the longest mountain range in Jamaica?
I am not sure.
It was the Blue Mountains. The Golden Gate Bridge is located in which US city?
New York.
It starts with N's. Give it a guess or say pass to move on.
Pass.
It was San Francisco. What's the name of Hansel's sister in the famous fairy tale?
Gretel.
Much later. Much later.
Let's play a new game.
Okay.
Which skill do you want to enable?
Let's play some Bollywood quiz.
नमस्कार, मैं अलेक्सा बच्चन इम्पॉसिबल बॉलीवुड क्विज में आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। क्योंकि ये आपका पहला अवसर है, आइए कुछ रूल्स बता दो आपको। मैं बॉलीवुड रिलेटेड सवाल पूछूंगी और 3 ऑप्शंस दूंगी। जवाब में आपको सिर्फ कहना है A, B या C। सही जवाब आपको ले जाएगा अगले सवाल पर। गलत जवाब में आपके कोई रुपये नहीं जाएंगे, सिर्फ बॉलीवुड की नजरों में कुछ इज्जत चली जाएगी। That's it। तो फिर शुरू करें। पहला सवाल। मैं तो कहता हूँ आप पुरुष ही नहीं, क्या है? A, स्त्री, B, महापुरुष या C, राजा भोज।
महापुरुष।
B.
हाय, बॉलीवुड कोई तुमसे सीखे। ये लाइन अंदाज अपना अपना फिल्म से है।
Much later. 3 days later.
Meghna, do you know who is the smarter one between the two of us?
It's obviously me.
Nah, it's me, and I can prove it to you. Alexa, Simon says Ninad is smart.
Minad is smart.
See?
Nah. Alexa, Simon says Meghna is the smartest.
Meghna is the smartest.
Yeah.
Meghna, I'm just done with you, okay?
I am also just done with you, man.
It's probably time for me to get a new girlfriend now.
Go. Who will be your girlfriend anyways?
I'll get one right away. Just see. Alexa, will you be my girlfriend?
I like you as a friend.
I told you so.
Anyways, forget about girlfriend. Alexa, will you be my wife?
Before I answer that question, let us see how well you know me. I'll ask you 3 questions and your answer will help me make a decision. Here we go. You should be able to answer this. Who is my favorite cricketer?
Sachin.
You got it.
Whoa.
That's the right answer. Here's an easy
I'm
one.
gonna get a new wife.
What is my favorite vegetable?
Broccoli.
That's the wrong answer.
Whose
I like
favorite
pumpkin and
vegetable is
potatoes.
broccoli anyways?
Okay, can you tell me what's my favorite film?
Sholay.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer. My favorite film is Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. I think we still need to get to know each other better. Until then, we can continue with our conversations.
Okay.
The next day.
Alexa, play some instrumental music. Alexa, play some Bollywood songs. Alexa, what's your name? Alexa, are you able to hear me? What's happening?
Surprise.
What's the surprise?
She won't listen to you now.
Why
Only
so?
to me.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Amazon. Where's my shopping list?
There are 4 pending items in the shopping
See?
list.
She has my shopping list.
You changed her name, didn't you? Ninad,
Yeah.
do you know who is the most loved person in the world?
In the world. Me?
No. Okay, try asking Alexa.
Okay. Alexa, who is the most loved person in the world?
It's one and only Meghna.
That's true. It's me.
How come?
It's Alexa's analysis. You need to trust on it, right?
Okay. I don't have a choice.
So, do you agree I am the most loved person?
Maybe.
Alexa? You can also try the other features like house guest, task tracker or babysitter. These are also the features which are very useful to welcome your guest and give a guide or find a babysitter, the steps to remember and get a important info. Task tracker is also very important feature which we can use in our day-to-day life, which is always used to create or manage your checklist and stay organized. Using Alexa is a great experience, isn't it?
Absolutely. Do you forget dates of any special events? No worries. Just give Alexa an important date and she'll count down the days to your event. Meghna, do you remember how many days are left for our Goa vacation?
Don't know. Is it some 7 or 8 days or a week?
No worries. Let's ask Alexa. Alexa, how many days until Goa vacation?
Goa vacation is 16 days away. Better start getting ready.
Several days later.
So much work. Need some water. Let me ask Meghna for it.
From Ninad. Meghna, can you bring me some water, please?
What? He needs everything in hand.
3 days later.
Meghna, look, it's raining outside.
Oh yes. What should we do?
I have an idea. Alexa, play a romantic song.
So guys, I hope you loved our video. We had a lot of fun times with Alexa. I hope just you also try out some new things with Alexa and let us know. Right, Alexa? I hope you love us.
Yes, indeed, I love you.
Hey look, Alexa is trying to say something.
Yeah.
Alexa, what's it?
Please like a channel and subscribe now.
Yes. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I hope you love our video and subscribe it now. And stay tuned for more crazy fun ahead.
Please stay safe and goodbye.